Welcome to our tutorial on customizing Excel menu toolbar. In this video, we'll be walking you through the steps to personalize your Excel experience, making it easier and more efficient to use. First, let's take a look at the standard toolbar. This is what you see when you open Excel. By customizing this toolbar, you can add shortcuts to the features you use most often. As you see here on the top, this is considered your tabs for the menu, and under each tab you have groups. As you click on them, the groups will change based on what's under the tab. And then under that we have the quick access toolbar. To change this, to make it more personalized to yourself, let's say you have options that you use most often, and instead of clicking through each tab to find the option that you want to use, you could actually create a personalized group for yourself. To do that, to customize it, you can go to File, go down to Options, and then on the left side you want to look for Customize Ribbon. Now, there's a second way to do it and a little quicker way to do this to get to this Customize Ribbon. If we cancel out of this and come up to the ribbon itself and right-click on it, it has, and in your menu you'll have Customize Ribbon. Click that, and you'll see that's clicks right into to customize your ribbon. Now on the left side here, this is all the different options and commands that you can set up to customize the ribbon, and this side is the ribbon itself. So let's say you want to personalize options that you want to use. What you want to do is select on the top one here and go to New Tab. And under that, it will drop down and put in New Tab. Now, you can customize that to whatever you want to name it. So if you select New Tab and go down to Rename, and now you could actually put your name in here. I'm going to put Darwin and click OK. And now it says Darwin. Now, under my tab, I can actually have different groups. So let's say I want to change this group to be edit options, and click OK. And let's say I want to add one more new group here, so I'm going to hit New Group, and I can actually name this going to be my Save Options. So I'm going to put Save and click OK. And now if let's add some commands under each of these options or each of these groups. First, let's say under my edit options, I want to find copy, and so select copy and hit add. And then let's say I want to look for paste, so to come down here to paste, and I can hit add that to go under my copy. And then under my save, I'm going to put my two options for save. I'm going to put save and save as. So now I have different options under each of my different groups, and you can put multiple groups into this. So we're going to click OK. Now if you look up onto the top, my name is in the position before the home position. So now I can click Darwin, and now under my edit commands, here's my copy, here's my paste, here's my save. Under my save group, I have save and my save as. Now I can right click on this and go back to customize my ribbon, and I can actually left click on my tab, and actually I can slide it down. Let's say I want it to come in after my insert tab. Click that and then click OK. You now see that it moved it to a different position after the insert tab. So you could actually rearrange all of these different tabs to be in a different order, whatever's best for your use during the day. Or like you say, you can set up commands that you use at a quick glance, so you don't have to go out here looking through all the different commands looking for the command that you use the most often. You can personalize that. In some cases too, If you're watching, let's say, a YouTube video and they say looking for a certain tab, and you look and your tab is not listed, it could be it's not turned on. So if you go to your customized ribbon again, you'll see here my draw is not clicked. So I do not have a draw in my tab. Now if I click draw and click OK, now my draw feature is now listed. So you can actually turn these tabs on and off by going to the customized ribbon, and you can uncheck it so that it doesn't show up and click OK, and now my draw has went away. So you could actually turn off some of these. Let's say you don't use data, you could actually turn it off so you have less menus that you'd have to walk through. Let's get into the quick access toolbar. This is a toolbar that you might use to set up other quick commands that you would like to see also. So if you right click on that, you can now say customize the quick access toolbar. Click on that, and now these are all the options that we can set up under my quick access bar. Under this, I pretty much set up stuff that I use most often, like my quick saves, my undos, redos, and my print features. So you can add any of these options. Let's say if you want to do a calculate now, you can click that, hit add. It adds it in here, and you can click OK, and you see now that it appears on my quick access toolbar. Now let's say you set up a couple options that you had, or a couple commands that you used, and you now do not use them anymore. Let's say you only had it for a certain project. You can also remove them. If you right click on it, you can just say remove from toolbar, and it takes it away. Second way to remove them is if you go down to customize, and you can actually select the option that you want to remove, and you can hit remove, and it now moves it back to this side so that it takes it off your toolbar. So now if I click OK, you'll see it disappeared off of my quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar actually can be showed also above the ribbon. If I click it here, you'll see now it appears up here above my ribbon instead of below the ribbon. So you actually have two options that you can change the location of the quick access toolbar. You can also click hide it, and it will hide it completely also. Now if for some reason you can't get to that, you can go under your file and options, and on the left side here you can see quick access toolbar. You can click that, and now you can get back into the quick toolbar, and you can actually down here and say show it, and there again you can tell it if you want it above or below the ribbon. I like mine kind of below the ribbon, but each personality or personalized to whatever use that you would like the best. So you can set up the menus to make it personalized for you, to make it work easier for your day-to-day type of use that you use Excel for. So that is a nice way to change the ribbon or the quick access toolbar to make your day-to-day processes more efficient for you. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more of our tutorials. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with others, and please subscribe to our channel.